Hi, and welcome back to this epic desert backyard remodel. In the previous episode, we built a picture frame floating deck using composite decking material. If you happen to miss this episode, please do not hesitate to explore my channel, A Degree from YouTube, and enjoy all the content you like. In this episode, episode number 5, we'll be mainly focusing on building a prefabricated gazebo that we purchased. But first, we're going to build some redwood benches that will later be installed on the other side of the yard in the barbecue area. The first thing we're going to do here is lay a few more pavers to extend the pathway into the barbecue area. Once that's completed, as you can see here, we started to dig into the ground. The purpose of this is to lay our benches in the ground at the proper level for comfortable seating. Okay, so this video was not clickbait whatsoever. We are now going to start this gazebo build from start to finish, A to Z, and until completion. Before purchasing this gazebo, I was really starting to stress on whether or not just the two of us can complete this build from start to finish on our own. I even considered hiring some help. But you know what? There's other factors involved as well, such as this relentless desert heat. But in the end, as we always do, we killed it. see this funny looking man looking around, inspecting, making sure that the job was done correctly, don't you worry. This is just my father coming by to say hi and checking out the progress of our work. Anyways, if you like this type of content and you've enjoyed this series so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for future videos.
With